Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a package that I purchased from HoneyNailSecret. Now, I did not know who Honey was or anything about her. I actually found her as I was doing a Google search for metallic inks. I've really been into inks lately, and although I am a beginner, it's something that I really like and I want to get really good at. So I had received an email from Madame Glam about their release of metallic inks, and I didn't really know that that was a thing. Although I did receive two from Ina Couture, I did not know that they came in such a variety of colors. So I did a Google search just to see what was out there, and I came across this website from Honey Nail Secret. Now, at this website, she was holding a 40%, well, an up to 40% off sale. So I decided to check it out. I've also been into sprinkle on glitter a lot, and she happened to have a lot of them on her website. So that's something else that I wanted to try out. So that's what I'm opening up here. I got her sprinkle on glitter in like a royal blue color. It was a little bit hard to open because she sealed them really well, which is good. Although I did notice that some glitter did spill around my packaging. It's totally fine. It really didn't affect the packaging or anything of that nature. I also got this, I think this is called the cherry red sprinkle on glitter. Let me tell you guys something. So I did this Google search and I found this website and I found some really cute things, right? But then I was kind of scared because I didn't know if the website was legit. You know, when you like find something but you're not sure, it's really hard to like find websites of people who create nail products who aren't that popular, in the sense that they're not like, Kiara Sky or Libra Nails Lab, or just people who are popular out there, like big brands. So she's a small business and I wasn't really sure. So I did go ahead and do like a Google search again, and I tried to find her Instagram, and I did. And on her Instagram, she has the cutest designs. So I saw her using the sprinkle on glitters and I ended up purchasing them. If you don't follow her, I believe her Instagram is, well, the business one is Honey Nail Secret, and then hers is like HP Nails by Honey, something like that. Um, she does some really, really cute nails. I also got these seashell stickers. They're a little bit hard. I haven't figured out how I'm going to use them, but I'm going to use them. Because I really like the look of it. I got these chrome pens. These were on sale for, I believe, $7. And basically, it's a pen and it already has the brush head on it, the sponge tips, so you don't have to worry about like dipping it in and applying it. And I got this in like a pinkish color, and then I believe the other one was a goldish color, but we'll find out in the video. So yeah, I was really excited to try the chrome pens and see if they're a little bit easier. I know with the regular chrome and like using a sponge or an applicator, things can get very messy quickly. So I was just interested in trying this. It seems like the chrome is like in there and you just have to insert the pen. So that's why I was just kind of dabbing it to figure out where the chrome was coming from. So as you dab in there, it applies itself onto the pen. I also got this brush. Her brushes are super cute. I was looking at them on her Instagram. This is the 3D marble brush. So she had a tutorial with the inks on her page that I was looking at. And then this is the brush that she used to kind of helps spread out the inks with the acetone. So it's called the Pro 3D Marble Brush, and it's a really beautiful brush. And after trying it, it's also a really good brush. So I already knew this package was coming today, and I was so hyped to get it. So I had already went ahead and painted some black nail tips as well as top coated them so that I could work with the metallic inks. One thing that's really cool about the metallic ink system is that the nails don't have to be white, you can do black. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys how this looked. And just a disclaimer, this was not for design purposes. This was just to mess around and see how it looks. So after doing this, I realized that wow, these are super pigmented and really beautiful. The gold was my favorite. You can go ahead and comment down below and let me know which color was your favorite. So, if you know anything about inks, you probably know that you need 100% acetone and a brush to be able to manipulate the inks and move them around the way you would like. So, I'm using 100% acetone and the brush that I purchased from her, as well as my Luxe brush wipes from Inel Couture to kind of collect some of the acetone and the ink off of my brush. And here I'm just playing around to see like what happens when the brush with acetone hits it and how the inks spread out. They do seem a bit harder to spread out than regular inks, but nonetheless, they definitely can be manipulated. Again, this isn't for design purposes. I just decided to go ahead and mix some colors to show you guys what happens when you blend the inks together. And after working through this, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how this turned out. Again, this was not a design. This was just for the purpose of showing you the way the inks looked. So here's the final product of how they looked. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be uploading a new video showing the inks more in depth. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.